Okay, combination technically is easier. It's not as difficult as permutation. They have not that much of cases. So we'll be very fast, but they don't have this specific example that I'm looking for in these notes. Okay, as simple as it goes, combination technically, arrangement does not matter. The moment I know arrangement does not matter, so that means I go with combination. Okay, some of you may be given as example of this. This is bad advice, okay? The bad advice goes something like this. If they say select or choose, that means it's a combination. If they say arrange, that means it's a permutation. Okay, this is bad advice. You should not listen to this. Because I've seen some past year exam where they say select and choose, but it still remain in permutation. Alright, so the best advice I can give to you, read the question and try to understand. I'm sorry it works like that. But if you say select, choose, that means automatic combination, that means you have a very big chance of getting things wrong. Alright, the moment you go outside from this class, the moment you meet your other friends, they're going to give you this bad advice. Trust me, this is bad advice. It will get you wrong sometimes in our final exams. And we want to avoid this bad advice. So don't take this one. In the end, it comes to this. You need to ask yourself. You need to check by it. Okay, let's begin. Let's say there's a group of quiz. There are 15 students. And I want a group of 4. How? Very, very, very simple. 15 C4. As simple as that, we are done. Okay, this is a bit tough. A team of 7 is to be chosen from 12. So what does it mean? A team of 7 is to be chosen from 12. How many people do you have? You have 12. Okay? How many do you want? 7. So it's always more C or P less. So 12 C7. You cannot have less P more or less C more. It's press that to your calculator, you got error. Okay, and then it says here it's not over yet. One of the 7 is to be selected as captain. So what does it mean? You're going to select the captain from the 7, not from the 12. So how did you calculate this one? 7C1, okay? So that means you got 7 people. This is where drawing skills comes in. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7. Okay, from this 7, I want one person as a captain. Are you okay? It's not yet over. And another one as vice captain. How do we calculate this another one? 6 or 7? Why 6? Got one person has been selected as captain, sir. And another one later. So that means this person as your vice. So 6C1. Are you okay? It's not yet over. No, I'm just kidding. The questions ends there. Okay, so how do we connect all of this data? You got yourself 12C7, you got 7C1, you got 6C1. How do I connect them up? Plus or times? Why plus? Do you understand what is different case? Different case if you got something like this where you rearrange things over and over again. These things, they are connected. Can you see? From this 7, come here. From these 7 people, I'm going to choose this. And from the leftover of 6, I'm going to choose this. So this is the same case. Okay, they are all times. They are all in the same case. So the answer is 3, 3, 2, 6, 4. From what I got here lah. Okay, can I please move on? Okay, you're told here that there are 5 students. You got 8 boys. You got 3 girls. And you want 5. And here comes the syarat, here comes the rules. More boys than girls. Okay, please don't me for being woman power or whatever feminism here. I just got the question. So how should we do? I want 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want more boys than girls. How? Plan first. Either you got yourself all boys or 4 boys or 2 girls or why wrong? Girls are more than boys, so this is wrong. We have only 3 possible cases. Maybe I should highlight this way. How do I calculate the first one? 5C1 or C or P? C. Next one. How many boys do I have? How many boys do I have? How many do I want? So 8C4. I have 8 boys. I want 4. Now how many girls do I have? I have 3. I want 1. So 3C1. Are you okay? So for the last one, how many boys do I have? How much do I want? So 8C3. What about for the girls? 3C2. Can you see? So now how do I connect the data? How do I connect these two first? Y times. Oh my goodness. 8C4. 8C5. Sorry. I have no idea why I go there, alien. This is times. I have no absolute idea why I go 5C1. My head just gone cuckoo. Okay, now how I connect this data? Plus or times? Why plus? Different case. Can you see now it's different case? Well, you know, they said if a student can correct the teacher, that means the student have finally understood. So yeah, congratulations. I guess I was panicking just now. Okay, let's say you have this. You want a group, there is a group of 25. Sorry, you have 25 people. And you want 3 people. And you were told this, 25 people including 5 women. What can you make from here? What do you understand from here? It means 20 is man, come on. 5 is woman. Be man, guys. You want 3 people. Okay, the restriction is this. At least a woman. So let's plan. You got 3 places because you want 3 people. So at least a woman, what does it mean? There need to be at least one lah. In Malay language, sekurang-kurangnya 1 orang. So that means it need to be 1 woman there. Is that the only way? What else? You can have more women. You can have 2 women. 1 man. Is that all? I can also have all 3 women who have taken over the world and the guy is gone perish. So how do we calculate them? How many men do I have? How much do I need? So 20C2. How many women do I have? How much do I need? So what about here? How many men do I have? How much do I need? 20C1, 2C1. Sorry, why this is wrong? I have 5 women. Oh, no wonder you did not scold me. I have 5 women. I want to 5C2. What about the last one? 5C3. And someone want to be kiasu, they said, sir, why do I write down 20C0, sir, is equal to 1? I'm not in favor of writing it down. So how do I combine these two? Y times? Same case. How do I connect all these 3 data? Y plus? Different case. We should give you 1160. Okay, one final example. I'll be super quick. There are 8 questions in exams. You must answer 5. Okay? If there's no restriction, how do you do? No restriction is easy. 8C5. Are you sure it's C, not P? Okay, when you go out, when you go to exams, let's say you have this type of questions, and then when you discuss with your friend, hey, which question do you answer just now? What do you say? I answer question 1, 2, 3. Or you might say, I answer question number 1, 2, and 4. Nobody come out in exam and say, I answer question 4, 2, 1 or 3, 2, 0. You don't go arrange them. So the arrangement does not matter. So 8C5 is 15. Yes, I might got it wrong. 56. Okay, this one, this is tough. Question 2 and 4 are compulsory. What does it mean? Let's say you got yourself 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Compulsory, or this is case what I can also say the case of certain and particular. Okay, if you see this word certain, particular, compulsory, such as this, they're the same thing. So 2 and 4, out of these 8 questions, 2 and 4, you must answer. How many questions that you must answer from the beginning? Originally, 5, right? Okay, so that means out of 5, you have choose 2. How many that you still need to answer? Now 3. How many questions do I have left? 6. So 8C3 or 6C3? Do you have answer this? So I have 6 left. And I want 3. 6C3. Do you understand that one? This is for the case of certain, particular. Alright, compulsory. I mean you have selected it beforehand. Okay, one last one before we end. If question 5 has been chosen, question 6 cannot be chosen. Alright, if question 5 has been chosen, question 6 cannot be chosen. This is on the surface is quite tough, so you need to plan it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What does it mean question 5 has been chosen? That means I have selected it. Can I still select 6? I cannot select 6. Have I answered 5? I have selected the 5. How many questions do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many I have answered? I have answered 1. How many do we need left? I need 4 more. 4 questions. So 6C4. Are you okay? Alright, that is I choose question 5. If I do not choose question 5, if I did not choose 5, how many questions do I have left? I have 7. How many questions that I have not yet answered? 5 questions. So that means 7C, 7C5 or 4? Why 5? I haven't answered any. Very good. Now how do I connect these two data? Plus or times? Plus or times? Get this one right. How, plus or times? Louder! Plus or times? Plus or times? Final one! Plus or times? It's a plus one. Why is it a plus? Different case. Alright, that's the final one. Okay, thank you very much. It's 36. Okay, a very short teaser. I did not manage to go for the bonus questions. I prepared you this thing to answer it. Okay, never mind. Next class. Thank you. Bye.